So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to file a claim on United Airlines. So the first thing you want to do is to actually go to united.com. After you've gone to their website, you will see book, my trips, travel info, mileage plus, deals and help. Click on the help button. From here, you're going to go to a different site so you can see their help center right here, and you will need to scroll down a bit. So on here, it says, what can we help you with today? And you can see accessibility and assistance. So some articles or some forms that you need to fill out for that, but you can also see baggage. So let's click on the baggage. So if you wish to file a claim, it usually goes with damaged bags. So you can see baggage fee calculator, carry-on bags, checked bags, damaged or delayed bags, claim status, and so on. So if you submit a claim, so you can see here it's called submitting a claim for damaged or delayed bags. So let's click on that. So you may be entitled to a reimbursement. So on here you can see report issue, reported online or in the United app, reported via chat or text bags to 32050, reported by calling the baggage recovery. So you can report delayed bags on here. You can see interim expenses claim, so you can request reimbursement as I said previously. So this will be your claim. You can even see the bag tracker on here. So if you click on this, it's gonna go to this claim for interim expenses. So just put in your file reference number, last name, and after that provide a valid photo ID, submit proofs, and get your reimbursement. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on United Airlines or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.